this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I want to thank everybody for kind wishes, hopes, although I'm not religious, prayers as well, and for sticking with me for the time that I've been absent. It's been about a month now, and we've basically been living on takeout meals. I haven't felt up to doing anything that includes cooking. My garden is complete shambles. I haven't even gone out and watered things, so they've all died. And I've just done nothing apart from cry. What it is, on the 10th of July, my father died. 2 days later, who I class as my biker father that I've known about 16 years, he died as well. So I had two big blows within 2 days. And I just, as I said, I couldn't do anything. My father's funeral was on Friday, and Keith's was on Tuesday, and I've occupied myself by either crying or sewing, or both at times. And sorry, Mason wants in. Come on then. Come on. Oh! He's been a little godsend because he's kept me occupied and company, and he doesn't mind. He doesn't like me sitting there crying. He wants me to stop and tries to do anything to help me to stop. Yes, you're lovely, you are, yeah. But as I said, the second funeral was on Tuesday. So yesterday all I did was I finished quilting up this through blanket that I'd done a while ago, and I'm going to give it to my brother-in-law. I have been doing other things as well that I can't use or give away. So I basically have opened an Etsy shop, and they're on there. And the Etsy shop, if I can figure out how to do it, I'll put a link below this video. But if not, it's actually called LittleUrbanHandmade. So it's still the same initials. But I thought I'd come back, say hello, check in with everybody, and it's still going to be slow going for me. As I say, today's the first day I have felt like doing something other than crying and sewing. So I'm doing bits around the house, take Mason for a walk, but I'm not going to push anything at all. If I feel like crying, then I'm just going to stop and cry. And I do feel like crying now. But it's been a month now. I'm going to get back on track of doing things and hopefully get my smile back again. And he helps. But thank you very much. I'll be putting a Fabric Friday video out this week. It was footage. I'd started making the fish quilt for my father, and I took footage of it as I was going, and I did all the component bits. They just needed piecing together when he actually died. So I never finished that. But Fabric Friday, if I can bring myself to edit it, I'll put that up on Friday about the fish quilt. after that, I'm not sure where I'm going, and I'm not sure about the channel. I'm not sure about anything. So I'm just going to play each day as it comes. And thank you all again. Thank you for your good wishes. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Yes.
It's a